Okay. Okay. So I hope guys you can see my screen. I'm going to zoom it first, then okay. And before zooming it, let me add today's date first. Today's date is nothing but 5th of October, right? Okay. Okay, everybody. So can you please remind us what we did in the last session?
We talked about sets and dictionaries.
Now come again. What we talked about?
Set and dictionary.
Pattern dictionary. Okay, okay. What about others? Yeah, everybody, did we know that? What something we haven't covered till now? Yeah?
We have covered the data structure types.
Yes, we have covered
All.
data structure types. Yes, for all, right? Let's just see quickly. Let's just summarize quickly, guys. In the last session, we talked about, yeah, four data structures we talked about, right? List, tuple, written over here, right? List and extend. These functions we talked about in the last session, right?
Yes.
Then we talked about tuple. Okay, so fine. As we know that already, each and every data structure has its own functionality, right? Like insert is only for list, extend is only for list, like that way. Okay. So if you move down, tuple, list, dictionary, these things we talked about already. Okay. Now today onwards, we are about to start. Again, I have given you on that the one of that link, right? So did we talk? Did have we gone through that link, everybody? Did I send it to you on that day? The list. So the link which contains all the functions and modules for each and every data structure and all.
In the W3 schools, right?
W3 school, yes.
Yeah. we gone through.
Yeah, have we gone through this, everybody?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, after this, today we are going to start conditional statement first, right? Conditional conditional statement. Now, what is conditional statement we are going to talk about today, right? Now, what exactly conditional statement is? Conditional statement is nothing but related to real world. Conditional statement is nothing but related to real world. How related to real world? Now, related to real world, how is it? I'll explain to you. One example, okay? Like Prashant we have, right? Suppose Prashant's father promised him whenever he got 95% in his 12th standard, his father purchased him a bike. Otherwise, or he used to purchase him a car. That means written over. See that carefully. This condition is nothing but if else. Now come here. Written over here. See that, guys. If rather than writing it directly, a is equal to he got 95%, 95 marks, right? Or 95%. I'm writing if the value of a, the value of a. Did we talk about operators before? Let me know, guys. Did we talk about operators before or not?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
So
yes.
we know that if the value of A is greater than 90, because his father, Prashant's father, promised him, na, if you got more than 90%, if you got more than 90%, his father purchased him a BMW. Yeah. Then else, otherwise his father uh, purchased a bicycle. Get my point? So if I run this, what gonna happen? See this. BMW. Why it is BMW? Because this condition is true, isn't it? This condition is true and this condition is false. Now come here. See this. I'll explain once again with another one more example. Okay. Again, we know that these operators, as I mentioned, these operators are very much important. Okay. If I talk about conditional statement are nothing but related to real world. Wherever we have a conditions to satisfy, right? Whether it is if or else. Again, if condition is nothing but where we have conditions to satisfy, like whether it is a true or false, always it will be. Now come here. I'm saying the value of b is equal to London, suppose, right? Here I'm writing if the value of b is equal to London, then it will print uh Uttamil London, Google, something like this. Yeah. Else, else it will print it's in it is in it's in Delhi, like this. If I run this, so this condition we know that it is true, right? Double is equal to, we know that, right? What is double is equal to? So double is equal to is nothing but left hand side is equal to right hand side. If both the values are right, it will print this line. Otherwise, this line again, if else condition is nothing but if this condition which is written over here within if it is true, this line will execute. These two lines will not execute if this condition gets false. Getting my point? That means if this is true, this will run. This will not run. If this is false, this will not run and this will run. Getting my point, guys? What I said to you, everybody?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We have to close the if while using the if we have to close the London with the column. We
Yes,
should
because this
we
is a
should use.
string data, na? Because this is string data. Yes, for sure. Let's take one more example. One more thing for understanding in a better way. Do we know that how ATM machine works? Everybody, tell me. Yeah, how ATM machine works?
We insert the ATM card. The
Hmm?
machine fetch our card data,
Huh?
and then we will put the password and whatever the
No, no,
transaction
no,
will.
no. You will put the password whenever machine asks you,
Machine
isn't it?
asked you. Yes.
That means you are the user for the ATM machine, isn't it? You are the user then, right? So in Python, we can take the input from the user also. Suppose writing how this is something using a input function. Okay, input function help you to take the input from the user. How, sir? Let's come down. Writing over here. A is equal to, I'm writing input. Okay. He'll saying enter your name. Something like this. Okay. Now, if see that carefully, if the value of A is equal to London, it will print me Uttam in London. Yeah. Else, else it will print USA. See this? If I run this, this will ask from me as a user, right? What will be the value of A? So till now, I did not mention any value of A. Let me run this first. See, enter your name. So it is asking me, right? And this line, this code will not execute. Why? Till then, I will not mention the name. Like my name should be London, right? Because see, if the value of A will become London now. If both the values are true, this will be true then. And then this line will run, right? Now we can enter Uttamil London. Did you got my point, guys? Everybody? What I said to you?
Yes, yes.
Now do one thing. We talked about conditional operators, conditional statement. I'm writing over here, right? I am sharing this code. Do that, everybody from your side. Yeah, everyone. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on, why it's not working? Okay. Yeah. Guys, do that from your side, everybody. Yeah.
Station error
Hmm.
actually, but it is same just like as you type in your.
Okay. Can anybody help him? Is he missing something within the code?
Yes. Uh, after, hello.
Yes, yes, please.
After 85, you have, move forward. Print. Click on print. Click on print. Give a space to print. Yes. Space. Yes. Yes. Done.
Oh, okay. For a print, we
No.
required space.
No. For if condition, you have to use this column. When we use this column, you have to give the space. In the
Okay,
next.
okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Working?
Yeah, it's working actually.
Okay. On this. So come here, guys. On this, let's try to understand more in one. If you have seen that, if you ask, sir, this is a two condition only. Yeah. If and else. If means whether this condition gets false, this will run. Otherwise, this condition gets false, this else part will run. And indentation you should not forget. Okay, never. This column should be there. This one tab space should be there after if. After else, this tab should be there. And if and else should be into the same line or same indentation. But sir, what if I have more conditions, right? More. This is one condition, right? If this is London, this will print. Otherwise, if it is USA, if it is Germany, if it is Paris, it will print USA only. But what if sir, I have more condition, like more than one condition, more than two conditions? How can I do that? Let's come here. I'm taking the input from the user. A is equal to input. Please enter your name to login or something like this. Okay, so I'm just writing over here. Hmm. If the value of A is equal to London, it will print London, right? Okay, but other than this, if I have one more condition, we have to write elif. Always remember elif. A is equal to USA. Yeah, USA. Then it will print me USA. Okay, okay. Now it will print me USA. Okay. Now I can use else condition. Now other than this, it will print me Germany. That means if value will become Germany, sorry, if the value will be London, it will print me London. If it is USA, it will be USA. Neither of them will be true, then it will return Germany. That means if it is not USA, it is not London, rest other two values will become Germany. So can we, sir, take a more conditions similar to elif? We can take n number of conditions. You can do like this also, no? One more condition you can pass in over here. Like this. Just write elif, one more. Elif A is equal to Paris. So it will print me Paris. Getting your point? Okay, sir. If I run this, what will happen? If I am running this, what will happen? I'm entering, Paris. So what will happen? It will print me Paris? Yes. That means, if I'm running Paris, that means, come on, this line is running only. Rest these two lines, rest these will not run. Why? Because this condition is true, na? If I run this once again, I have neither I have Paris, neither I have USA, neither I have London. Here I'm writing, Mexico. Mexico. What will happen? It will print me Germany. That means either three, one of them. There are three conditions I have passed, right? So within this, these country should be there. If any another country besides three, it will return me Germany. Getting my point, guys? Elif statement, everyone. We can take similar 10, 100, n number of condition like this. Tell me, everybody, is this fine?
Yeah, fine.
What about others, guys?
Yes, it's fine.
Now do that, everybody from your side. Do that.
Yes, yes, sir. It's fine.
Implement this, guys, from your side. You can take any more conditions also from your side, right? You can take any other condition, whatever you have in your mind. Take anything, but do that. Concept should be clear.
Okay, I have written like this. A is equals to input how many World Cup India won. A
Hmm.
is equals to print good.
Hmm. Hmm.
Elif A is equals
Hmm.
to 3 print better. Just excellent, bad.
Hmm.
But when I put 2, it is showing me bad.
Okay. So if I ask you to check the data type first of variable A, you are taking an input within a variable, right, Rishikesh?
Yes, yes.
Now I'm saying do check the data type of A first before doing anything. Hmm?
Don't.
How you can check that?
Uh,
No, not here, not here. Go to the wherever you written A is equal to input, add a new cell. After that, just add a one new row, right? Then here, no, not like this. Make an enter
so
after this. That means
okay.
then check the type. How you can check the type of variable A? You have to print also. Print type of A. Space should not be there after print. There is a bracket. Yeah, bracket should be there. Yeah. Remove that space. Make a bracket. Yes. And close it after A of bracket. Yes. Now run this. Put your input whenever you run. Now.
I put L. I need to put L.
Yeah, yeah. Put it. Check what is the data type.
It is string.
String, right? That means
Mm.
this is something is that whenever you take the input from the user like input,
Mm-hmm.
by default the data type for the input function will is it is a
String.
string, right? But the
Okay.
condition you are matching, that is a is equal to 2, and the 2 you have
2. It's
passed it is integer,
numbers.
right? That is so what you have to do, you have to convert this input which you are taking from the user into integer. Then how you can do that? Do we know how to convert one data type to another data type?
Yes.
How?
You know, int of input.
Yes. So before input we are taking from user, just write int before it, right? You know that, right, Rishikesh?
Hello.
Rishikesh, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes. So we are saying before input you have to write int int. I guess he is facing some network issue.
He lost the network.
Yes.
Hello. My voice is coming.
Yes. Yes.
Actually,
I
network
can.
issue from my
We
side,
can.
I think.
We can see your screen. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
What you are saying?
So I was saying before input.
Every time the output will be it is type of taking in string.
Yes.
So I
So we
think
have to
we need to
convert it
put here
into
to
integer.
in a
Yes.
word.
No. Wherever you have written down input
Data time type need to convert or.
into yes.
Mm-hmm.
So where you are taking the input from the input function, right? A is equal to input. That input is coming into the string.
Here
You
in
have to
a.
convert that string into integer. How to convert? Before input, just write int before it. Yeah. Yes.
bracket,
Okay.
brackets. Int of input. Int after bracket. No, no space. No, don't give the space. Yes. Close the bracket. After the input, also close the bracket.
Okay, here.
Yes. No, 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 no. After the input, you should not keep the bracket. Remove the space and remove.
Okay. Okay.
Working.
Yeah, it's working. Okay.
See, it is
Thank
converted
you.
into integer. Yes. And it's for
Yes,
everybody.
yes,
If you're
yes.
taking the condition into numbers or any another data type, that data type should be convert that we should be the same. Okay.
What is the class?
No, no, come again.
In Rishikesh example,
Uh,
in their answer line, what is the class?
okay, class. Class something we'll talk about later within the class. We'll read class also, but when we complete multiple things, class is nothing but one of the concept in Python. Okay, that we'll cover it later.
Okay,
Okay, so understand whenever
okay,
you print with the type function, it will represent the class also.
okay.
Yes. Okay, everybody. So let's move ahead, I guess. Yeah, there is no such doubt on this. Now I'm giving you one of the problem statement. Okay, everybody. Now you have to do that again. We'll talk only today for if else condition, conditional statement only, right? Okay. Tomorrow we'll talk about for loops. Okay, that's comes under conditional statement also. But today we'll do the practice at the same time of if else condition. Now I'm giving you the task. Okay. Uh, what is that task? Writing over here. Write a condition. Write a condition. Uh, just just like a just like a ATM machine. How ATM machine work actually? You know that, right? If you in your bank account you have 1 crore rupees, for an example. Oh, let's say 1,000 rupees for a basic understanding. You have see writing over here, guys. You have 1,000 rupees in your bank account, right? Whenever you take the input from the user said I want to withdraw the money, right? User said you have to write it down. See that carefully. You have in your bank account in your not like this. You in your bank account you have 1,000 rupees. Okay, now you have a user said I want to withdraw the money, right? User said I want to withdraw 500 rupees. Now left balance left balance I have, that is 500. This should print me you have 500 rupees left in your bank account, and your final balance should be print like 500 like this. Tell me, can we try it out, guys? This thing, everyone, everybody, can we try?
Yes,
It
yes.
looks interesting or not? What's it? Just like your bank, it's like your ATM machine.
Okay.
Try once, everybody. Do that from your side. Try once, everyone. Uh, but not exactly. No, 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 no. No, it is right, but not like this. I said, right? I said, you have to subtract the value. Your account
Okay.
balance is 100,000 rupees, right? You are
Okay.
taking the input from the user. You want to withdraw or you want to debit? Hey, you want to withdraw the money or you want to credit the money? What do you want? If user saying I want to credit the amount and previous amount is 1,000 rupees, now he credited 500 rupees. So final amount it will showcase you 1,500 rupees like this. Getting a point?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, like this you have to build, right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, try. Okay. Guys, can anybody help him? Is he missing something within the code?
What? Hey, Gautam.
Okay. Anybody knows that? What is the issue on this?
So the I think where I write the withdraw, I write left balance. So can I find the answer?
You can find the answer, not a problem. Okay, so I said to you, after bank you are using space, but space should not be there. Remove that space. Yeah. Yes, remove that. Now try to run this. Yeah, is it working or not? Bank account is not defined. Why is it not defined? Because you have to create a variable. Na? You are calling directly bank underscore account, but you haven't mentioned it anywhere. What is bank account? Right? You
So
have to
no,
create this.
I mentioned the bank account is 1,000.
Where? Where?
The A
Where?
value is 1,000. No, sir.
No, the value A, but here you're using bank underscore account. Python don't know na what is a bank underscore account because you haven't defined it anywhere, right? You defined A, not bank underscore account.
So I removed the A is equal to 1,000.
Yes, no, you should not remove. You have to add the name of it rather than A, just add the value bank underscore account like this. It will work then.
That side.
Yeah, come again, come again. No. The variable name should be bank underscore account. What is the variable name? A is equal to 100,000. What is the variable name in this? Tell me.
Variable name is,
Variable name is nothing but A, right?
yeah.
So rather than A, you have to put the name of A, just bank underscore account. Then it will work. Otherwise, Python will not understand no, what it is not. That's why. Getting my point, what I said to you. Guys, can anybody help him if anybody knows that? What he is missing? Anybody of you guys? Have you done the practice before, Sachin?
Yes, yes, sir.
So, what? No, tell me how we create a variable. Tell me.
Sir, the variables. So you tell the code, write the question, write the condition just like a ATM machine. The
Hmm.
question is bank account is 1,000 and user withdraw the 5,000. The simple math about how many left balance. So final balance is equal to bank account balance minus withdraw balance. So
Right. So, but you haven't
but
called the variable name, na? Variable name bank underscore account should be there, but your variable name is nothing but A, right? So you have to check this one, na?
so the now I remove the A is equal to 1000 and write here the bank underscore account. So why cannot it run? It run?
Because where you have defined, tell me bank. You haven't defined, na? No, just remove the hash, na. Before it's a
Oh,
see. Remove the space also before B.
sorry. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now try
And
to
that
run this.
I think, sir, the user hashtag is wait. No, it's a mistake.
Another variable. No, you didn't a mistake, but another variable. It's another error. Now not the same error.
So withdraw is not defined here. I think that
Yes, you have to define the withdraw also. Then it will work. Anyone of
Give
you
the
guys?
input. Give the input.
where I can write the input.
Uh, User after keep use input you int of input after user take a variable as you wish and take an input from the user. Hello.
Yeah, I understand. But no, in which line I am wrong? Anyone can describe?
So see that Sachin. You read the error. Read the error first. The last line name error. What is the error? Tell me.
Withdraw is not defined.
Where you have defined withdraw. Check it.
So that one, the final balance.
No, not fine. I'm saying the name of withdraw only. Withdraw. Exactly withdraw. Where you have defined. You haven't defined anywhere. You have defined user underscore withdraw, not withdraw.
Oh,
How Python will understand withdraw or user underscore withdraw is same? Run this. It will be the different error now.
oh, shit.
Okay,
Okay,
right?
sir. I understand. I understand. The main mistake is here.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. What about others? Everybody, as I mentioned, right? I don't want to rush all these things. You have to do the practice, guys, carefully on